Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see I have finally received my Memories 2020 and today we are going to unbox it. I can't wait to open this, so let's bring it on. So first one is the Weavers gift, guys, which we received from Weavers on ordering this pre-order. So I'm opening this pre-order gift. So this I really don't like green colors, but this color is pretty good because this is neon green. I thought I won't be liking it in real, but this is pretty good. So this is how it looks. This is a really good B album picture and it looks really pretty, and I don't know how to make this stand. Do we keep it like this? I don't know how to make this stand. I'll look it up online, but this is really cute. This is really good quality. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So this is the Weavers gift, guys. And then now we have this Memories 2020. So I'll just open the plaster first. I'm really bad at this. Okay. Every time I do this, no, I'll be really afraid that I don't damage the box or anything, because the scissor can easily give a scratch, right? Okay, so this is the box, you guys. Something is falling off. So this is Memories of 2020. Here they have written with Our Universe Army. Oh my god, maybe they were planning Our Universe. Have you heard My Universe song that is so cute by Coldplay and BTS? This is 2020, and on the sides we have written with Our Universe Army as well. Memories of 2020. Okay, so I really hope I can pull Taehyung or Yoongi this time, but I'm okay with anyone. So this is for safety. And oh my god, I can't believe I actually pulled Yoongi. This, oh my god, my hands are literally shaking. Oh my god, guys, I can't tell you how happy I'm right now. Oh my god, this is so cute. I finally pulled Yoongi. Oh my god, I don't know if I can sleep tonight out of happiness. Okay, so this is Our Universe. Oh my god, I'm still not over that photo card. Okay, so here we have our notepad. This is notepad. I think these are all the pictures they post on Twitter. So let me see if you can see this, because the light is, so I'll just quickly go through all the pictures. I don't know how to put this one. Okay, this angle looks better, right? So I heard someone saying these are all the pictures that they post on Twitter. This notepad is full of those pictures. So cute. Okay, oh my god, this is the speech, right? Dear class of 2020. Yes. Oh, and below every image they have written the event also. Dynamite MV commentary. Okay, so these pictures are really good. Oh my god, this one. Ooh. I think this 2020 will consist of the MMA and Mama performances also. Will there be a Black Swan image? Black Swan is my all time. Oh, this is the concert, the Map of the Soul 1 concert, online concert. Oh my god, the time Yoongi was recovering from his surgery. And then this, so cute. Oh my god, James Corden. I'm really angry at James Corden right now after the comments he passed after the UN. And this, the hologram Yoongi. These are pretty images. So cute. These are this in the photo book. And then we have this Memories. I think we can change this photo card, but I don't know how to change. Okay, will it open? So this is my first Memories, guys, so I'm sorry if I don't want to damage. Okay, here is the opening, so we can change the photo card, but this photo card is so pretty, so I don't want to change it. For now, let's just put it right there. And I want Yoongi, you all to see Yoongi. I pulled Yoongi. Okay, so this I will take it out for now. And then this table of contents. Okay, I guess D2, Bang Bang Con, Dynamite, My Brother Soul 7. Okay, see, these are like chapters. Oh my god, the picture quality. Oh, this is transparent. Oh my god, this is so cute. Namjoon, I really love that image. That is from Map of the Soul 7. I have a poster of that picture in my home. And then, okay, this is the folded type poster. So sorry for being so messy, guys. I'm just really excited. Okay, so this is the poster. This table is too small. Hobie and Jimin, oh my god. Oh, look at them. This is, the picture quality is really good. Comparing to other albums, this Memories is, the quality is like top notch. Oh my god. Oh my god. These days I'm like, oh my god, Yoongi, these pictures. I'm so sorry for all the squealing sounds I make when I see Yoongi. This, he just has my heart. Okay. Oh, look at Jin's hairband. Banana Yoongi. Oh, look at him. So cute. The shadow. I think the light is dropping the shadow. Okay. So these are really cute. I love this tattoo of Taehyung. And this is also. Let me take these out so that you can see all the 7 members. And in the back. It's so cute, so pretty. Guys, I'm really telling you, the pictures are like out of this world, man. These are so pretty. I can't tell you how pretty they look. Oh my god, look at Jungkook's hands. Oh. Oh. I actually read in Twitter that Memories pictures are like a collector's item, and then I was like, okay, all their items are collector items, but look at the quality, man. There's no lie. Now I want to buy all their Memories, but I only can purchase 2019 and 2020. Please do let me know if you know any seller who are selling their older Memories as well. I got one seller who is selling 2018, but I don't know, they are demanding a pretty huge money. Oh my god, look at this Daechwita Yoongi. Oh my god, so pretty. Okay, so this is all Daechwita. Daechwita. I'm so sorry. Oh, the time when they went to shoot. So cute. Okay, will this open? Oh yeah, this will open. No, then we have a cutie Jiminshi. I really love how Jungkook calls Jiminshi. The Bang Bang Con live. So this is the first live I watched of them, but I didn't watch it when the date was airing because I was still not sure if I wanted to purchase the ticket. But after the live ended, I purchased the ticket after 1 month, I guess. And then I was like, oh my god. From that moment onwards, I have to watch every other live they perform. Every other concert live they perform. Oh my god, look at them. They're so cute. Guys, these pictures, oh, I'm telling you, I don't know if my camera is doing justice to all these pictures. Oh my god, look at it. This is the home performance they did. I remember the song. Look at this, so cute. Oh, look at him. Maybe I'm telling this more than 100 times now, but the picture quality is insane, like literally insane. Okay, this is a folded picture. Oh, the Dynamite. It's really cute. I really love these outfits. So this video, guys, I have watched more than 100 times on YouTube. It will always be in my recommendations because it's my most watched video. So cute. Oh my god, these pictures. I'm hyperventilating right now. Okay, so this is not a double-sided one. Oh, but I'm really afraid that I'll damage the pictures, so I'm moving them slowly. and Fastly at the same time. Okay, so this is open. Oh, this one they performed. This is when they talked to Bang PD. Oh no, after this performance they changed the costumes and then they got the Billboard 100. Second time I believe, then they Bang PD called them, right? Yes. So hobby, so cute. So cute. Look at them. So pretty. B album photo shoot, yes. Oh, the favorite. Oh my god, when I purchased B album, I didn't show you the unboxing video because that's the first album I purchased, and my cousin and I opened the box and we were like screaming when we saw this. But all these photos in B album were in black and white, so we were really looking forward for the colored ones. And then in memories we have the colored ones. This is so pretty. The Life Goes On era. Life Goes On performances. Okay, so this is really pretty. Ginny looks so cute. Pretty photographs, you guys. There are so many photographs. This is such a good thing. Look at Jimin. Oh my god, Jimin's forehead. Bangtan in maroon. This is membership kit, I guess. Membership kit photo shoot. I guess. So my membership kit, it is showing shipping soon, but I wonder how much time it will take because I ordered it to a seller's warehouse, Korean warehouse, and then they have to ship it to India and then I have to receive it. Oh god, I think it will take another 2 months. So the Dynamite dance break, oh my god, the MJ style that they did, I just threw my phone. Like those two performances are like out of this world, the Black Swan and the Dynamite dance break. Oh god. Yoongi. The Christmas performance, I think here they showed Yoongi as a snowman. Yes, snowman. Jungkook and Mike. These are really pretty. Oh god. Jungkook. Jungkook. Oh, then we have this post stamp set. They're really pretty. And then we have the DVD. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. And then here we have something to put our PCs on. Let me put my Yoongi inside. So here's the opening. This is how it looks. Oh my god, I still cannot believe I pulled Yoongi. So this is the unboxing, guys. So here inside this we have the special viewers gift that we received from pre-order, and then we have this booklet of all their Twitter pictures, and then a photo card and this amazing quality pictures. So I really suggest, if you're looking to buy anything, please buy these memories because the pictures are top-notch quality and there's nothing else better than collecting Bangtan pictures, right? So I hope you really liked my video, and if you do, please do like, share, comment on my channel, and please do share this video with fellow army friends if any Indian armies are looking for the unboxing videos. And please be safe and be healthy. Bye.